Okay, I just want to highlight on step 14, it says remove the turbocharger coolant feed pipe bolt at the turbocharger, right? And that's at number 1 there. So when you look at it, it's this guy here, right? When you remove this guy here from the turbocharger, okay, expect 500 milliliters of coolant to come out. Okay, I didn't know that. I drained my coolant and 500 milliliters came out. Thank God I had some sort of barrier to the floor, but I put those cloth after the fact and it still made a fucking mess. So I got coolant on the bare ass. I got coolant on the bare ass floor here. See that? That's fucking bare ass floor. Coolant got onto the floor. Okay, so expect 500 milliliters to come out of there. Step 14. Hoorah.